Coach Cliff, and today I want to show you our most portable Gaga ball pit using our Quick Connect kit, also known as the Portability brackets. So what I have here is a Hexagon 24. This has 1x12 boards. You could also use plywood, and this is intended for extreme portability where you want to set up a Gaga ball pit in a couple minutes and you want to be able to take it down in a couple minutes, and once it's set up it's completely secure because they're bolted together. This is used a lot for PE classes or day camps that need to set up and take down maybe at the end of the day or every couple hours, and when you have a couple people to help, it makes it go even faster by having one person carry the wall and the other person putting it together. So the way these work, if you'll see on this side we've got the Quick Connect kit. This is the threaded side, and on the other side, which I'll show you in a second, is the actual connector. So you first pull out the first wall, and you can set it down wherever you want your Gaga ball pit to be set up. So you start with your first wall, bring your next wall right to it, and that's going to connect right to the next bracket, and you just fit it in. And what you want to do is have a bucket to hold your knobs, or you can have them in your pocket, whatever makes it easiest. And you just simply spin the threaded knobs on to connect the walls, and this will assure that you have a good solid connection. And then you just go through and do each wall one at a time, and then you've got your complete Gaga ball pit set up. The reason we use the lighter weight lumber is exactly that reason, so it's not so heavy. One person can very easily lift and move the walls. If you see what the walls are connected together very quickly, and what helps is to have a rolling cart. We have this rolling cart available. If you're doing a portable setup and you need a rolling cart, just give us a call and we can get you set up with that as well. Sometimes it's a little bit faster if you just get your walls in place, and then you can connect your knobs afterwards. This cart is nice too because you can load it in the back of a pickup truck or a van or a trailer, and that's not too heavy either. It's pretty compact in size, which means it's very easy to move around within a school or hallways or wherever it's got to go. And now you can set your Gaga ball pits up at a park, anywhere you've got to go. And then the last one, we'd have to just adjust a little bit so everything is connected and it all lines up in your hexagon shape. And of course the Quick Connect kits work with the 30-inch models as well as the octagon models. So your Quick Connect kit, if you've got a better shot at it here, it fits right up to each bracket. Just spin your knobs on, and once you've got them on there, just make sure they're somewhat snug. And now you've got your complete Hexagon 24H Gaga ball pit set up. The only other thing you need is a ball. So once you're ready to go, then you just need to find some players. So please call us if you have any questions on any of our Gaga ball pit models, including the Quick Connect kits for your portable needs. Thank you.